thought you might like to see this. This is an African artifact that was made on Uncle Frank's farm out of the book. It's a beautiful piece of carved wood, carved by the very skilled craftsman that he had on the farm, and I think bought and distributed by my father's business, Golden City Enterprises. And this one's been in our family for about 42 years. I've just taken possession of it. It was looking a little bit worse for wear, so it's just been given a nice beeswax silk coating just to bring it up like new. It's still very sturdy. My eldest son will recognise it because when he was about 2 or 3, he used to go around my mum and dad's house and he would sit on it because it was the perfect size for him. It's ideal for a little one, but it's a lovely piece of furniture and it's got a beautiful carving of African people on it and that, very South African. So I had to keep hold of it and not let it be thrown out or anything like that, especially as it's part of the book. So I hope you enjoyed looking at that. I'll see what other treasures I can find.